Rare diseases affect 1 in every 17 people, and yet only 5% have a treatment. It's why Astrazeneca set a radical goal.
We have a bold ambition to deliver 20 new medicines by 2030.
Whoa, how is that even possible?
Bringing a new medicine to market is a numbers game.
It all takes time. In the past, a lot of our materials were ordered through spreadsheets, through notebook.
Annually, we can have over 60,000 of these types of requests, and each of them can take 20 to 30 minutes to fulfill.
Today, with ServiceNow, it just takes seconds.
Every minute matters. It's crucial that in order to get life-saving medicines to patients as quickly as possible, that we've streamlined and optimized every part of our business. And ServiceNow has been a big part of that journey.
The key point is giving back time to our employees to do what really matters. So through a single unified platform, we give back to our researchers, we give back to our scientists, to the commercial team, so that we can get life-saving medicines out there.
That really adds up.
And by focusing on our processes through pre-boarding and onboarding, we're able to improve the time in which people are able to join us by over a month. That's releasing over 90,000 hours back into our organization.
And the fact that we now have data through ServiceNow allows us to take advantage of that promise of AI.
To put AI to work in Astrazeneca for every single employee is helping us get work done more efficiently and more effectively.
Now that's putting AI to work for people.
ServiceNow is our end-to-end platform for business transformation, helping our scientists and researchers discover new medicines, bringing those medicines to life within our manufacturing environment, or helping to transform IT, HR, and our GBS services. It is part of how we work every single day. Being able to work at speed means that somebody else can spend time with their family, with their mother, with their child.
Please welcome Chris Beatty and Cindy Hoots.
Hey, Cindy.
Hey.
Thanks for being here. Inspirational video for sure. So great video, but let's dive into some more details if that's okay. Sound good?
Sounds great.
So I've heard you talk about using technology to make a positive impact on over 1 billion people. That's 1 billion with a B, right?
Billion with a B. Let's do some good work.
So how is ServiceNow supporting the transformation? And take us a little bit deeper in terms of some of the benefits that you're really seeing.
Yeah, so I think, ServiceNow's really been the cornerstone of the Astrazeneca business transformation. And it's this robust kind of integrated platform that's really helped us progress our business. We've been boosting efficiency, we've been looking at how we can drive better productivity, really across our entire organization. So IT, HR, risk, finance, even R&D. So it's been really amazing to see how through automating hundreds of processes, we've been able to take processes that used to take, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and now get them to the point that we can do that in just mere seconds. And what happens is then we're able to really keep pace with such a fast-paced business environment that all of us are kind of experiencing within our own companies. So it's been really great. From an HR perspective, we've really revolutionized the way we do onboarding, and this seems to be something you revolutionize every 10 years or so, but we've been able to help, we onboard 20,000 people a year, and being able to save that time has really been instrumental. We've saved over 90,000 hours just by being able to streamline our processes. And that's really helped us as a company. And then from an R&D perspective, ServiceNow's facilitated over 60,000 requests from our researchers and our scientists. And it's the speed and the precision that we're now able to work at that's really helping us. And I think ServiceNow is, kind of this unified platform that allows us to kind of seamlessly work across our functions and integrate them really easily. We've been streamlining workflows, helping our employees have a better experience, and also finding that it is allowing us to really create a rapid decision-making framework that's helped us. And so our scientists get to, free up and do the more important high-value work and be able to really deliver life-saving medicines much more effectively and efficiently. And, I think it's been a kind of a critical part of our long-term strategy as part of continual improvement and part of our growth strategy, and it's allowing us to really drive better patient outcomes.
And Cindy, you talked about 20 to 30 minutes down to seconds. I mean, Amit talked about AI and the power of AI and transforming 90,000 plus hours saved, and not only in the corporate functions, but you're also using it in your core business, which is getting medicines out the door, which is fantastic. It's a privilege that ServiceNow is part of that journey. AstraZeneca has a very ambitious goal, I think it's very ambitious anyway, of releasing 20 new medicines to market by 2030. When we think about the power of AI, are AI agents playing a role, and how is AI making that vision a reality?
Yeah, I mean, it was great to hear Bill talk about how we leverage AI to make the impossible possible, and that's certainly what we're finding. Agents are really embedded in every part of our company and how we're using it to transform patient care as well as drive healthcare innovation. It's just something that we've kind of built into every aspect of the company, from research and development all the way down, and it's helping us have much more autonomous ways of working. They're also helping the team to really focus on those higher value activities by lightening the load of the scientists every day, and it's been able to help us advance drug discovery because our scientists have a lot more opportunity to do what they do best. So.
Yeah, and using agents for drug discovery, building out life-saving medicines to patients, that is really taking AI to make a material difference, not only for your company, but I think it puts you on the forefront of leveraging AI to make a difference.
Yeah, and I think it's, when you have a cutting-edge platform like ServiceNow, it does put us at the forefront, because the minute that you can start to build on such a robust platform, then it's only the imagination that's holding you back. And I think we've been able to augment not only just our internal, driving internal efficiencies, but I think it also helps us make sure that we're staying at the forefront of healthcare and how we can really, through AI, drive these efficiencies. And I just wanted to say thank you to ServiceNow, to Deloitte, to the AstraZeneca team. The collaboration's been really amazing, and the collaboration's been amazing, and I think it really highlights what you can do when you've got a strong partner side by side. So thanks for that.
Yeah, and I love one of the things you say at AstraZeneca, which is every minute matters in terms of transforming patient outcomes. I mean, such an inspirational mission. But you also operate, I'll call it a tough environment, operating AI in a regulated environment, and whether you're in a regulated environment or not, making sure AI has the right safety, has the right controls. What's your point of view on that?
Yeah, I mean, I think for all of us, and again, it's whether you're in a regulated industry or not, AI, I think for us as technologists is, this exciting opportunity. But I think for a lot of people, it is something they worry about. AstraZeneca was the first pharmaceutical company to publish the ethical use of AI statement. Building that trust in as we leverage these technologies is really important, and I think all of us in this room have a role to play to make sure that we use AI responsibly and make sure that patients and your customers and consumers also benefit from what this technology can bring.
And that's what it's all about. So Cindy, congrats on the amazing results. We really appreciate the partnership. Thank you very much.
All right, sounds good. Thank you. All right.
Let's go.
Take care, everyone.